Alliance, are you ready to go? Start this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, beginning our autonomous here. These teams have these long arms for this match, and they just use that on the Blue Alliance to score both of their blocks into the special zone on the shipping hub as determined by the randomization. That's going to get them some bonus points substantially in this autonomous that the Red Alliance unfortunately has not been able to have. They're more focused on scoring regular elements and getting those ducks off the carousel. Blue Alliance finishing up by parking after a very effective autonomous, but Snap is going back for one more score right before the end. And a partial park.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And beginning our driver control period, 7303 has a piece of cargo immediately scoring. This is what's going to make a difference for them in this driver control period. If they're going to try and get a lead back, because again, there's a substantial lead for the Blue Alliance right now. If the Red Alliance wants to pull that back, they're going to have to make it up by scoring faster and more efficiently than the Blue Alliance here. And they seem to be ready to do that because 7303 is moving quite quickly and getting those scores. 4174 and just getting there another piece of cargo up there in their driver control period. Snap, of course, going for the shared shipping hub. Very important. Cannot be understated how important the shared shipping hub is. Getting that balance properly on the side, on your side of the team is going to get you big points in the end game. 7303, of course, continuing to score in the top of the shipping hub. And we've got our partners here of their partners on the Red Alliance. So 310 Stoy Fission here, missing, unfortunately, on one of their scores in the shipping hub. And then we have 4174 scoring, getting ready to score once again on top of the blue shipping hub. But 7303 seems to be just doing it faster and being able to perhaps make up that bit of distance. Again, the little scoring gap is around 170 to 107 right now, but there's a little bit of a lag here, and there's on the terms of scoring speed, because Red Alliance is scoring a little bit faster than the Blue Alliance is capable of doing. So they might be able to close that gap before the end of the game, unless the Blue Alliance can keep scoring at an efficient pace that they've been managing to do and holding on to that lead at least enough. Of course, endgame's going to make a huge difference here too, folks. As we're nearing it, 36 seconds, we're going to have these robots getting ready in position to start capping their markers on top of their beat. Yes, that's right, one team marker on top of it, and beginning that duck rotation. The Blue Alliance getting one of their markers as well. Blue Alliance's partner, 4174, is rotating ducks off and also trying to attach a magnet on top of their marker before we reach the end of endgame, because Red Alliance has already gotten both their markers. All that's left for them to do is get those ducks off and get parked and get any extra elements scored as they can. Looks like they're just settling for a park for 7303. 4174 parking as well. One last element from Snap and one last duck off from the Red Alliance as we finish our end game. 266 to 191. It looks like a substantial lead for the Blue Alliance, but who knows what that's going to end up being.
Let's get away from here. Let's get away.